Question is about investment into mutual funds, particularly about a Muslim lady who's a single lady who cannot do any business, but she wants to invest in mutual funds. The logic being there is a profit and there is a loss in the mutual funds. Is this permissible or not? I know for sure it is permissible, but that lady wants to hear it from Dr. Zakir Naik. May I request Dr. Zakir Naik, please?
As far as the mutual funds are concerned, brother, all mutual funds aren't permissible. You have to first see that on what basis the mutual fund. If it's a mutual fund involving a debt amount, a fixed interest, some mutual funds are mixed. You can only invest in those mutual funds which are 100% equity. Equity means it involves total profit and loss sharing. Certain mutual funds are 50% invest in a bank and 50% equity. The mutual fund should be 100% equity, then it's halal. And those companies in which they're investing also should be halal companies. It should not be haram companies like alcohol companies, like companies dealing with pork. So as long as you see these aspects, that the mutual fund should be fully equity, fully based on profit and loss sharing, not that part of the investment is in fixed interest. And secondly, the companies that the mutual fund is investing in should be all halal companies. It should not be haram companies like entertainment companies, like alcohol beverage companies, etc. If you take care of this, then inshallah you can invest. And there are particular shares. For example, Tata Core has started with a fund, or Tata Equity. Though they are non-Muslims, but they are following the Sharia guidelines and they invest only in those shares which the Sharia gives permission to. So if you invest in these shares, these are controlled by the Sharia board. And there are other shares in America, etc., and in UK, which are Islamic halal shares controlled by Muslim Sharia board, etc. So if you take part in these and if you invest in these, it's totally halal. Even if it's a non-Muslim investment, if you take care of the points I noted, it's perfectly permitted for you to invest in the mutual fund.